Today I am going to explain all detail about Deepavali so that all persons should understand clearly who are celebrating Deepavali or not. Let me try to explain clearly. We human beings are having great desire to enjoy sense pleasure. Try to understand anything which is tough, where you get tiredness, where you feel defeat, that is not real path. Okay, you have very tasty food. After some times, you feel defeat, you feel very tough, you will not feel to eat it. Then, that is the tough, it means that is not path of truth. Listening music, observing movie, going for sightseeing, try to use our sense organ to enjoy something. After some times we will find very tough, very difficult. There is no enjoyment. It means that is not path of truth. Okay, I am big speaker, big writer, I have done academics in the language, in the grammar, I have done PhD. I can write anything, I can speak anything. Then I use my talent to write poetry, articles, novel, but I keep on writing and reciting. After that, I feel tired. I feel tough. I don't get enjoyment in that. It means that is the tough path. It means that is not path of truth. Then what is the path of truth? Say any letter from A to Z, from Ka to Gya, Ka, Kha, Ga, A, I, anything, or any word written or spoken, or any creation. When try to observe, you must feel ever new knowledge, ever new power, ever new peace. Then you will realize that is the path of truth. Because when you feel ever new, which brings you unity, some things you will find, oh, I know you, but today I feel you are great. What I was knowing yesterday, oh, that was not true. Today I feel you are more and more, more and more. Every day you are greater and greater. That is called the path of truth. In that we will realize our ultimate aim. What is our ultimate aim? To experience that we are omnipresent. We are potentially vast and infinite. We are not limited. This is our ultimate aim. Then how to get it? This is what we represent through festival of Deepavali. Deepmalika festival, what we are celebrating in India and in all over the world, it is having only one aim, to experience our existence as an omnipresence consciousness. But the way we celebrate nowadays, after doing sometimes we feel tired. We do not like to do it. Now it is okay. Further, I don't do it. It means I am feeling tough. I am feeling tiredness. It means that is not the pathway of celebration. That is not true Deepavali. This is not the real concept of Deepavali. Then what is the real concept of Deepavali? I am going to explain it. Before that, we must know we are human beings. We are called human because we practice humanity. What is humanity? Try to appreciate all, never try to interfere in practicing eternal unity with any creation. Eternal unity means if I try to know I am one with the sky, I was one, I am one, I will remain one. If I am trying to do something, nobody should disturb it. This kind of freedom we need. It means you are scientist, you are doing some research, nobody should interfere. This is called practicing humanity, giving complete freedom. And when humanity expands, then you will find all discovery of electricity, magnetic field, internet, so many things came. When we celebrate Deepavali as a scientist, then we realize we do not disturb anyone. We give complete freedom to each and every person to complete their research. When we practice Kriya Yoga meditation, in that we place our concentration of mind inside brain and spinal cord. When mind is ascending from the coccygeal plexus and trying to go towards cerebral hemisphere, cerebral plexus, then we realize a heaven inside. Number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we realize 7 heavens within. When mind is moving in opposite direction, then we realize 7 patals. Altogether is 14 universes. We are human being. We are not knowing that we are omnipresence. Our aim is to realize that we are omnipresence. Therefore, we are practicing principle and philosophy of Kriya Yoga. In that, we are placing our mind inside brain and spinal cord. When mind is ascending up, then we realize 7 heavens within. When mind is descending down, then we realize 7 patals within. By mistake, they call patal hell. Hell never exists. In holy science, you will not find hell. There is 7 heavens, 7 patal. In Bible, there is no hell. There is no sin and there is no sinner. Therefore, you must follow the holy science. In that, you will find this description. And when we are moving, placing mind up and down, as we practice in initiation steps, then we start practicing oneness with all. When practice oneness with all, easily we feel oneness with the patal. Because what is meaning of patal? Experiencing limitations. I am limited. This is my weight. This is my volume. This is my height. If I can measure myself, that is limitations. I feeling limitations on the platform of hearing, touch, vision, taste, smell. Limitations on the platform of mind and intelligence. Perception of these limitations is called experiencing patal consciousness. That generally we do it. But when keep on practicing it, you will find the moment we practice complete oneness with the six point Vishuddhi Chakra, then we realize presence of 13 universes within. 13 universes. These 13 universes, we call it, what we find within, we realize we are made up of life force. Life force inside is making me to speak, to see, to do everything. That same life force has become head to toes. Moment we realize this, then we get riches. That riches is called dhan. We call it dhan. That dhan is called riches. This is called the life force. And we experience this riches inside, life force inside. When our mind is one with the 6 plexus, Vishuddhi Chakra, that we feel like expanded like a sky. This is called Dhan Teras. Teras means 13. Now we can get dhan, we can get riches, we can get life force, complete perception on life force only when you experience awakening of the 6 plexus, Vishuddhi Chakra. At that time you will find you are expanded like a sky. The moment you get this riches, after that you have to ascend here. The moment you ascend here, how you will find this is the 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that keep on counting it here. That 1 starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6 plus 5, that 6 is included in this one. Then we count it twice. Then it becomes 13. When we come here, then we realize 14th. 14 means then you experience Kutas consciousness. You are one with God. Therefore, the moment you realize eternal patience, infinite patience, eternal humbleness, you reached here, then you realize your nature, that inside what you feel is called life force. Life force has become bone and muscles. Life force has become head to toes. After that you realize ultimate truth, that is called truth Kutastha here. Then we realize presence of Kutastha, that is called Vishnu consciousness. Then we realize we are omnipresence. This is called Satya Loka. Satya Loka means sphere of truth. Then what happens here? After experiencing this Satya Loka, then you get power how to turn everything off, how to turn everything on. At that time you stay here. This is the place you have not to put your effort to reach here. After that there is an automatic process. Moment you wish, life force enters there and all metabolic process ceases. Therefore try to remember, in Deepavali festival we try to see the light. Light means knowledge. Light means knowledge. Then when we concentrate on self, then we start feeling that this is not plexus, this is the place of knowledge. Then we get many kind of knowledge. How to create solid, how to create liquid, how to create energy radiations, fire elements, how to create air, how to create sky, how to create sense organ of action, how to create mind and intelligence. At the last you will find how to protect them. Moment you know to protect them, then you are here. Therefore all 7 patal, that 7 patal exist inside this Mooladhara. Then from here it starts again. From here you will find 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But because the 7 exists here, therefore 13 is present here. Here you are not here still. You are only here. Eternal patience is here. That out of this, when 7 comes out, then 7 include that, then include from here. You will come here. When you get eternal patience, you get vibration of this, all divine messages. Therefore it represents a 13. It doesn't represent 12. It represents 13. Therefore 13 never, this number is called, this is bad number. Because after that you realize ultimate truth, then you don't have any attachment here. Because you can create it. If you can create it, you will not have any attachment. If you can make a change, you have full freedom. Moment you cannot create, then you have attachment. You want it because you cannot create it. If you can create it, there is no attachment. Therefore all attachment becomes 0 when you enter here inside. But from here vibration when descends down, there is called message how to create, that becomes 13. That rest here. So this is called the place of dharma. In Mahabharata, this is called place of Yudhishthira. It gives presence of his sky, infinite shape and size. Therefore, this you have to practice yoga meditation by repeatedly. Moment you come here, you will have eternal humbleness, eternal patience. You will never have fear of anything. You will realize there is no fruit of action. In whatever you will do, no karma will hold you. Therefore, Krishna taught, we have to learn that Ashwatthama Maro. Ashwatthama was child of Dronacharya. Dronacharya inside is a habit. And a habit child is fruit of action. If create any habit, you are smoking, you will go some reaction. If you have no fruit of action, you smoke or doesn't smoke, you never have any problem. You drink alcohol or you don't drink alcohol, you will remain the same. Many realized master demonstrated this. After taking so much high intoxicated things, have no effect. But that is very higher state. That is the habits. Sun is called fruit of action. Fruit of action is called Ashwatthama. When Ashwatthama is Maru, means Ashwatthama is dead. If there is no fruit of action, then you will realize your divinity, not before that. Then how to get rid of fruit of action? Moment you feel each and every moment enjoyment. When you practice yoga meditation and experience its practice is ever new joy, then you will not care of any fruit of action. You will have no attachment of anything because you are now having ever new joy. You are with God. If you are with God, you will have no fruit of action. This is called Deepmalika. Therefore, 7 lamps they decorate. One lamp is called master lamp. From one lamp, all 6 lamps are enlightened. Sometimes we get confusion that this is the main area, cerebrum. No. You can operate this, but you cannot operate medulla area. If you get some injury, some blood clotting, something here, immediate operation is done, you can get the life. But something done here, you cannot do anything. Your main part is this. Therefore, in Deepmali we have 7 lamps. One is called master lamp. With the help of that lamp, we light other 6 lamps. Therefore, this is called spiritual practice. And when you practice it, the next day is called black moon. Black moon means complete darkness. If you have complete darkness in the life, you don't know answer of any question. You have full of problems, complete darkness within and around. Do not worry. Practice Deepavali festival. You will find light will come. Therefore, what Lahiri Maharaj said, try to find answer of all questions through the Kriya Yoga. He is telling the same thing. If I have ignorance, all kind of ignorance, all the time I am crying, my luck is bad, I am sick, I am weak, I am poor, do not worry. Light will come. All riches will come. Whatever you want, it will come. Practice yoga meditation. Therefore, this Deepavali festival is observed on Black Moon Day. Complete black moon is there. In that we demonstrate. You see, there is light. There is no Amavasya. There is no black moon. There is no black night. This is the symbolic. But you can say black night, black moon means complete ignorance. We do not know anything, full of illusion. Do not worry. Practice yoga meditation. You will find light inside. Light means life, knowledge, power, peace. When you have that, all things will come to you. Same thing was taught in the Bible. Seek a kingdom of God first. Everything will be added to you freely. Means if you want one, you will get 1,000. This is the brief message of Deepavali.